Good evening, College of Aeronautics and Engineering scholarship recipients, graduates, friends, and family, as well as CAE faculty, staff, and advisory council members. We're so very happy that you're with us tonight for what is truly a celebration of your accomplishments. Tonight is all about you and your outstanding achievements. For those of you graduating, well done. I so wish I could have been there in person tomorrow to shake your hand or to give you a hug as you walk across the stage. From now on, I think we'll do virtual fist bumps and maybe hold our breath while we're doing it. But you know, regardless, it won't change the message or the feeling. We're just thrilled that you've graduated from our college. Well done, graduates. For those of you who are scholarship recipients who are here tonight, you'll see all of those undergraduate and graduate students who came before you who are celebrating their final days as students at Kent State and in CAE. They will be your role models as you continue on your path of excellence. My advice to you is to keep it up. Keep up the hard work, the dedication to your studies, and the excellence in all you do. But also, for all of you, just remember how thrilled and excited we are that we are here with you as you've reached these milestones. I hope you will all enjoy the next hour or so as we celebrate with you. And now I want to introduce Dr. Joycelyn Harrison, Associate Dean for Research and Faculty Affairs. Dr. Harrison?
Good evening. It is my distinct pleasure to congratulate all of our graduates today. As the Associate Dean for Research and Faculty Affairs, I am especially delighted to applaud our graduate students that will be receiving their master's degrees today. At this time, we will recognize our Master of Technology and Bachelor of Science in Aeronautics degree recipients. Congratulations.
Master of Technology, Benjamin D. Darby, Thomas J. Breen, Wadije Ashani Radima Fernando, Harsha Kautilya, Shurja Prakash Gowda. Bachelor of Science, Aeronautics, Akira Adams, Adebanji Adatola Alatishe, Ryan Muhammad Albarakati, Kenzie Mohammed Al-Johani, Mohammed Othman Al-Shagdali, Tristan Oxter, Jack Stephen Backhurst, Sultan Adel Bakwetaba, Faisal H. Bawaji, Justin Robert Beyer, Joseph E. Bever, Tyler William Bliss, Abigail Bowman, Adam David Cassetti, Steve Charles Jr., John A. Chell, Cody V. Childers, Joseph Matthew Kulik, Cameron Jeffrey Davis, Jeremiah Lewis Dregley, John Divine Finger, Kelby Tyler Fruth, Sean Tyler George, Nicholas Adam Hayter, Zachary T. Heiselman, Glenn Huckle, Kyle Joseph Huth, Corey Christopher Jake, Wesley Johnson, Christopher Evan Jones, Brandon Michael Kaiser, Matthew R. Cornett,
Andrew Robert Lattis, He Gun Lee, Zachary Todd Lanuski, Mark Mahon, Asan Mohammed Maki, Nicholas Malakowski, Paul Joseph Marchkey, Jeffrey Austin May, Andrew Richard Miller, Frank S. Mitchell Jr., Luke Charles Murin, Max J. Mulkenton, Ryan Matthew Pence, Erica L. Perko, Emily Von Seal Petkak, Cassette LaShawn Pittman, Armand Emmanuel Polk Davis, Cedric Devontae Quick, Kyle Stephen Renard, Kellen J. Riley, James Schleeper, Jacob Schultz, Brandon Alexander Schwab, Asil Mansour Sheikh, Kyle L. Cyber, Waleed Abdulmonem H. Siddiq, Colton Thomas Snyder, Hunter W. Sorm, Nathaniel Elias Turner, Jack Henry Warren, Claire Elizabeth Willett,
All right, I think I got you guys in my bright sunlight. I just wanted to take a minute to congratulate all the aeronautics majors. You know, part of what we do in our college is prepare you for the future, and we always talk about wanting to prepare you for the industry as a team. And I don't think any of us could have anticipated the future that you're going to enter immediately upon graduation, whether you're air traffic control, management, flight. The world of air transportation looks really, really different now. And I'm very, very thankful that you guys are going to be the ones to lead us kind of into this change and out of it. So congratulations to all of you. It's going to be a really dynamic and exciting time, but I'm confident that you're going to do really, really well. The next part of our presentation is we're going to kind of step away from the graduates, and we're going to acknowledge some of our scholarship recipients. So these are the students that are still with us. They're going to be coming back in the fall. And again, really excited to share with you their accomplishments.
Clinton Van Dusen was a highly respected professor in the Industrial Arts Department in the late 1940s. The Clinton Van Dusen Scholarship is awarded to a student pursuing a major in any of the applied engineering disciplines. This year's recipients are Prakash Adhikari, Pranav Asawa, Deepson Baskoda, Jacob Fairbend, Jordan Hill, Cyril Kauchoa, Chenyang Peng, Joseph Rich, past member of the Kent State University Foundation Board and the Mechatronics Advisory Board, established the Gary Rich Applied Engineering Endowed Scholarship in honor of his father, Gary Rich, to support an applied engineering student from Ohio. This year's recipient is Alan Darby, Michael Dragemeyer was an integral part of the industrial technology program and very much loved and respected by his colleagues and students. The Michael Dragemeyer Endowed Scholarship was established in his honor to support a full-time student enrolled at the Kent campus, majoring in applied engineering with a preference for a member of the American Foundry Society. This year's recipient is Suraj Dahal. Dr. Charles Keith was instrumental in so many students' successful careers. The Dr. Charles Keith Memorial Endowed Scholarship was established in his honor and is awarded to a student who is pursuing a degree in applied engineering or another industrial program, with priority given to students from Ohio. This year's recipient is Sarah Roman. Brooks E. and Mary M. Weingart created this endowed scholarship to support students who have demonstrated the capacity to achieve educational and professional goals in the world of business opportunities. This year's recipient is Emma Pintar. Alan L. and Terry L. Maurer Endowed Scholarship. The Alan L. and Terry L. Maurer Endowed Scholarship for Flight Training is awarded to a full-time aeronautics major pursuing the flight technology concentration and who has attained a private pilot's license. Captain Al Maurer is a 1970 graduate of the flight technology program. Along with his endowed scholarship, Al was instrumental in the creation of the Dick Schwab Memorial Scholarship. This year's recipient is Matthew Rister. The Paul J. Connolly Endowed Scholarship is awarded to a student pursuing a Bachelor of Science degree in Applied Engineering or any of the engineering disciplines. This year's recipient is Shuri Oluwashimalore. Robert Sines Jr. Veteran Scholarship is awarded to a presently serving or honorably discharged United States veteran of the Armed Forces, Reserves, or National Guard pursuing a degree in aeronautics with a concentration in flight technology. This year's recipient is Martise Johnson. The Palcho Family Aeronautics Scholarship supports a student in the flight technology program with preference given to first-generation students. This year's recipient is Jordan Richheimer. Leland and Carol McFarland created the David McFarland Memorial Scholarship in honor of their son who passed away in 2015. The scholarship supports a student pursuing a bachelor's degree in any major in the aeronautics program. This year's recipients are Sarah Kuntzman, Jacob Sacco, Diana Samilia, Richard Dick Schwab Endowed Scholarship was established by the Friends of Dick Schwab and continues to grow through the generosity of the 1G3 alumni group. This scholarship supports students in the flight technology program. This year's recipients are John Arata, Pamela L. Brodegum, Laura Wilson, Thomas H. Hodanovic established this endowed scholarship because, as he says, I believe that this is an excellent way to say thank you for the education and experiences I received at Kent, the opportunities it provided me in my career, and a great way to help a student obtain the same. This year's recipients are Maria Price, Tyler Weiss, Theodore Ted Orris is an active aeronautics alumni and created this endowed scholarship to support a deserving student in the flight program. This year's recipient is Diego Johnston, aviation student and pioneer Nikki Kukwa lost her battle with leukemia while a student at Kent State in 2006. Nikki's father, Russ, created the Nikki Kukwa Endowed Scholarship in her memory to assist full-time female students pursuing the Bachelor of Science in Aeronautics, with preference given to those participating in women in aviation. This year's recipient is Olivia Simone,
Couldn't get my video off. So congratulations to all of the scholarship recipients. We really appreciate the time and effort you've put into applying and earning those dollars for future semesters. I know that some of those slides, thankfully, you guys gave us a lot of really good feedback on what influenced you and what you were looking forward to. So if anybody wants to read more detail about either our graduates or our scholarship recipients, this entire presentation will be on our website, so you can go back there and see that. The next portion of our evening is going to be the Bachelor of Science and Engineering degrees. It's really exciting that we have 7 different and distinct engineering and engineering technology degrees, and we have graduates representing all 7 of those tonight. But I want to call out a special shout out to our first ever graduating class of aerospace engineering students. I can't thank this group enough because they had faith in us from the beginning, knowing that they were going to basically be the guinea pigs. They've rolled through everything with us, given us some really amazing feedback, helped us to improve not only the aerospace engineering program, but the mechatronics engineering and all of the programs as we come along. And we couldn't be prouder of this group of individuals. We're looking forward to getting that ABET accreditation for you and then just following in your career. So to all of tonight's Bachelor of Science and Engineering recipients you're about to hear, congratulations.
Bachelor of Science, Applied Engineering.
Ala Marwan I. Abuaf. Abdullah Hussein Al Asghar. Mohammed Raja Al-Anazi. Omar Rafat Al-Ayubi. Hamad Fahad Al-Biabi. Adel F. Adafairi. Amer D. Al-Hafiri. Mohammed Youssef A. Al-Fala. Ahmed Yasser Al-Hamed. Salman Abdullah Al-Kaltham. Mohammed Abdul Jalil Al-Margalani. Mashari Khalid Al-Minahi. Ali Mohsen Al-Mualam. Yusuf Ali Al-Osaimi. Sultan Khalid Al-Otaibi. Abdul Wahab Fahad M. Al-Sahali. Bandar Al-Sali. Saeed Abdullah Bashnini. Yi Chen. Ian Matthew Claren. Nathan Daniel Confair. Angela Marie Dybel. Jacob Drew Ahas. Mohammed Mustafa Endaisha. Justin Tyler Hartman. Francis Douglas Hosey. Brandon John Knopf. June Lin. Olebogeng Kutulwano Modisel. Jeffrey Allen Natcher. Brooklyn Roberts. Jamaluddin Khalid Said. McAllister Westcott.
Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Engineering. Sydney E. Bin. Bobby Bisler. Brendan Evans. Adam Fertig. Zachary B. Helfer. Ian J. Kerr. Gage Little. Stephen Schmidt. Jacob Smith. Wyatt Douglas Steiner. Tyler James Williams. Robert Wilson. Bachelor of Science, Aeronautical Systems Engineering Technology. Zuhair Al-Homsi. Mitchell Lewis Sandberg. Nicholas Ryan Stahl. Bachelor of Science, Computer Engineering Technology. Nicholas E. Atkins. Ibrahim Adnan Al-Badri. Samantha Page Canella. Christopher Gerald Marshall. Evan Robert Meisinger. David Dow Sarnor. Daniel Richard Smith. David P. Wang. Bachelor of Science, Mechatronics Engineering Technology. Kyle William Angermeyer. Aaron Deshawn Penn. Science, Mechatronics Engineering. Casey Ryan Frame. Michael A.J. Parker. Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering Technology. Bara Ali B. Al-Zama. Jalene Ashan McClendon.
Great job, scholarship awardees. Also, we have a special guest for you. We have with us today Dr. Melody Tankersley, Senior Vice President and Provost, who will say a few words.
Thank you, Dean Blowbaum. Congratulations, graduates. Wow, it is really an honor to be here with you tonight to celebrate you. This is a huge milestone, and congratulations on achieving it. I really hope that you'll take a moment and just reflect on this academic accomplishment. It's a very big deal. You've excelled in the classroom, and you are ready for your careers. And tonight, I just want to honor your hard work, your perseverance, and your commitment to your program, to your degree, to your education. I know you're going to use those qualities that you have to excel in the classroom and going to take those to your career and contribute to your new communities, just like you excelled and contributed to Kent State University. Nelson Mandela says that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. You're ready to change the world. Go do it, Golden Flashes. Go change the world. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dr. Tankersley. And now we are excited to have all our faculty and staff of CAE come online simultaneously to say congratulations to our scholarship recipients and graduates. So we're going to take a moment here as everyone comes on in gallery view. And on the count of 3, everyone at one time is going to say congratulations. So after the 3, not on the 3. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone.
Great job. And now I am going to introduce Dr. Robert Krause, Associate Dean for Flight and Operations, to take over.
Thank you, Dean Blombaum. Now that you've heard us talk, it's time to hear from some of our graduating students. In order to enable each of you to speak, we'll need to change your status in the webinar. So as you see the faculty coming off, you'll see some students coming on. If you aren't automatically switched over and would like to participate, please select the raise hand button at the bottom of your screen. As we move through this section, we'll log you out and back on. So you'll see your screen go off and on, and you'll come back on, and we'll be able to turn your microphone on. You may get a pop-up asking you to share your camera. Once I see that you're available, I'll call your name, and you'll have 1 to 2 minutes each to share your comments, your plans, or your favorite memory for us.
Dear College of Aeronautics and Engineering Class of 2020.
This spring is a time you have been anticipating for many years.
And we recognize the efforts to prevent the spread of COVID-19 have disrupted the celebratory experience you expected to have.
We are heartbroken that your final weeks at Kent State University
and the opportunities to celebrate your crowning achievements
have been impacted by this global crisis.
You have responded to this crisis with grace and resiliency beyond our expectations.
And we commend your hard work and dedication.
As you reach this significant milestone,
take time to reflect on your accomplishment
and share your success with family and friends.
It has been an honor and privilege to teach you,
to advise you,
and to help you prepare for this next journey.
Although this is an uncertain time,
the faculty and staff at the College of Aeronautics and Engineering
are certain in our confidence that you will go forth and succeed.
Now more than ever,
rely on our shared core values of
excellence,
integrity,
respect,
inclusiveness,
innovation,
perseverance,
collaboration,
and compassion.
To innovate, impact, and improve life.
The road ahead will have its share of obstacles,
but you embody our mission of producing forward-thinking professionals,
dedicated to overcoming limits and improving lives.
Your next adventure awaits.
We're excited to see where it leads,
and look forward to lining up your continued success.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
Congratulations.
You have been exceptional representatives of the college and university.
And we are proud to call you alumni of our program.
Go confidently in the direction of your dreams.
Live the life you imagined
and change the world for better.
Stay connected with each other and with us. And remember, flashes take care of flashes always. In closing, I want to leave our graduates with this thought, which I just told you again in the video, and that is stay connected with each other and with us. We want you to visit us when you can again. We also want you to keep up with what we're doing. Things are moving fast in the college, and you know that. We want you to reach out and help us with the next generation of graduates. The picture that's behind me, I'm going to get out of the way for a second. There you go. That is the atrium, the future atrium of the new engineering and the new engineering wing. It's the wing that will go on our existing aeronautics and engineering building. And that's very exciting. So you're going to have to come back in a couple years to see that. Second, for all of our Kent State students, graduates, all of our Kent State family, I said it in the video, I'm going to say it here again, flashes take care of flashes. Just remember that. Our incredible alumni have been a testament to this philosophy. So great job, everyone. And now remember, there will be meeting rooms that are set up. You can pop in from one room to another and say hello to your faculty, to your staff that you have really connected with, to all of your administrators. And so you should have had that emailed to you. It is also on our website under events. You could just click the links. So thank you everyone for being here. We're just so excited and just so very, very appreciative of your time, appreciative of all that you've done since you've been here as students, that as you are with us still as students for those scholarship awardees. And we just really look forward to our future relationships with all of you. So thank you very much for being here. Make sure you pop into those meeting rooms and say hello. Bye all.